Hello, I'm Gabriela and this is my channel Gabby Tech. Welcome! Today I will present you one very special product that most of you are aware of. This is Logitech G102 gaming mouse. One very classic and elegant mouse for every taste. Let's start with unboxing. The content of the box is Logitech card, quick card booklet, and the mouse itself, covered by special bag for protection. And here is the mouse in its full glory. Design-wise, I would say the mouse is very minimalistic, classical and elegant. Perfect for a person who don't want to be too screamy. And I want to mention something. This mouse is inspired by the main Logitech classic G100 and G100S. That's why these kind of mouses are adored by many gamers all around the world. But the most important thing for one mouse is it suitable and is it convenient for your hand? That's why let's try. On my hand personally I feel it very convenient and nice. This mouse is one of the lightest mouse ever. It's only 85 grams, which makes it pretty amazing. Especially for people who don't like heavy stuff like me. We continue for the design. On the surface we notice 6 buttons. Let's press them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of these buttons are programmable through Logitech gaming software that you can install in order to personalize the mouse the way you want. The scroll wheel is gummy and pretty convenient. The mouse is with USB interface and the cable is thick and durable. About this mouse, the optical sensor is extremely strong. It follows all of your movements. The range of the optical sensor is from 200 to 8000 dpi, which makes it suitable for any gamers all around the world. You see the mouse legs here, suitable for every kind of surface. Before I continue, I would like to turn on the mouse, so you would notice the beautiful colors. We see the beautiful illumination and the Logitech logo here. Something else that makes the mouse more than amazing is the polling rate, which is 1000 Hz. That makes the mouse extra accurate. The speed of the mouse itself is 100 IPS, which is pretty decent. And not on last place, because basically for me this is one of the most important things. This is the LightSync RGB technology by Logitech, which makes that mouse the perfect mouse for any gamer. It's special technology that is reacting to all of the content that you're doing right now on your PC. And through the programmable buttons and the Logitech gaming softwares, you can make this mouse fully up to your taste. There is a special onboard memory that remembers everything, and even if you change the computer in future, the mouse will remember any function you put into it. Now I would like to demonstrate you the Logitech gaming software and the different modes that you can play with your mouse. The RGB range is 16.8 million colors, which gives the perfect option for personalization. But before that, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Here is the Logitech gaming software. We notice the mouse here and the different options here from the menu. We have the RGB lighting settings. Here we can choose lighting zone selection, lighting effect. We can choose between fixed color, color cycle, and breathing effect. Breathing effect can be customized the way you want. Here it's red right now, but you can choose between the range of 16.8 million colors to make the mouse a mouse of your dreams. Here you can control the brightness and the speed rate. And you can put timer on your lighting, so the mouse and you can put lighting, sleep timer. From here you can control the different buttons and personalize them through DPI and personalize them. Here the DPI sensitivity levels, which are 4, the report rate, and you can restore everything to defaults anytime. Here are the main settings, and as you see, this is pretty basic software. Of course, if you have any other Logitech products, you can sync them with the mouse. As you saw, this mouse is very decent and the price is also very good. So if you live in Bulgaria, I would recommend you to go into Jar Computers and buy it from there because they have the best price right now. And thank you very much for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe and come back to my channel.